Have you ever pondered about the current state of Earth's orbit? It's easy to forget that alongside the beauty of the cosmos, there's a more sinister side to space. As we speak, Earth's orbit is becoming a virtual garbage dump. We're not talking about everyday trash, but defunct satellites, spent rocket stages, and fragments from disintegration and collision. This debris, often referred to as space junk, is amassing at an alarming rate. As the number of satellites we launch increases, so does the volume of space junk. This growing concern isn't just about maintaining a clean space environment, it's about safety, too. These fragments, hurtling around the Earth at high speeds, pose significant threats to active satellites and space missions. They have the potential to cause costly damage, disrupt communication networks on Earth, and even endanger the lives of astronauts. Our celestial neighborhood is getting cluttered, and it's high time we clean it up. So, how do we tackle this space junk conundrum? Well, the good news is there are multiple solutions being proposed and even implemented. It's a cosmic cleanup mission, and it's as thrilling as it sounds. First and foremost, we have advanced tracking systems. These are akin to the radar systems we use here on Earth, but far more powerful. They keep an eye on the sky, tracking thousands of pieces of debris as they hurtle around our planet at breakneck speeds. This information is crucial in preventing collisions and planning future space missions. Next, let's talk about deorbiting. This is the concept of intentionally guiding satellites back towards Earth at the end of their operational life. It's a bit like retirement for satellites. They've done their job, and now it's time to come home. By doing this, we prevent them from becoming yet another piece of space junk. Now, onto the more innovative ideas. Picture this: nets cast into space, capturing pieces of debris like cosmic fishermen. Or how about harpoons, shooting through the void to